Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, in this video we are going to talk about pruning sweet lime plant, and this is the part 2 of the pruning sweet lime. Friends, in the earlier part we have discussed about why it is necessary to prune the sweet lime plant and what are the advantages we are going to get with pruning the sweet lime plant. Now in this video we are going to discuss about how we can start pruning this sweet lime plant. What are the preparation we need to do before starting any pruning, and I will also demonstrate you the method of pruning with which you can select the good plants, good stems for the fruiting. In the end we are also going to discuss some of the care we should take to protect our plant after the pruning. So let us understand the basic of the pruning for this plant. So friends, before we think for the pruning, we must think about the flowering season. As I have explained you earlier, that sweet lime bears regular flower and regular fruiting. But mainly it flowers into two seasons. One into the early summer and second into the monsoon. So here in my area, it is flowering time is January, February and June, July. So we must plan pruning activity at least a month before. So December is a target month for pruning the sweet lime plant, and for the monsoon crop we must prune it into the May month. Now before pruning we must stress the plant little so that it will shed all the leaves. When we stress the plant with the water, the plant will understand it is water is scarce. It will transfer all the energy from the leaf to the stems or the roots, and in the result all the leaf will be fall down and your plant becomes like this, the skeleton. This plant has stored all the food in its stem and the roots. Now this is the time, if we prune, it will least damage the plant. Now before starting the pruning, we must give good amount of the manure like well decomposed cow dung manure or the neem cake or the castor cake into the root, and then we should give it the light water. Now this light water will indicate the plant that now the water is going to available and it will start producing the new shoots from its eyes. Now the stress period will be different for the different type of soil. If you are growing this sweet lime plant into sandy soil, then you can maybe 15 days is a good enough for giving the plant stress. But if you have a balanced soil, you can stress it for the 20-25 days, and for the black or heavy soil, the stress period may be more than that. The condition of the plant is important, like it should shed almost 70 to 80% of the leaf. Only few leaf you can see on the plant, and this is the right condition for the pruning. This will also remove any old disease from the plant in the leaf and it will be fall down. So whatever new growth we will get will be healthy. Now once we start the watering, after 3 to 4 days the plant will start producing the new shoots, and at that time we must prune this plant so that all the new shoots will be from the desired stems only. Otherwise it will be all over the plant. So pruning absolutely necessary after 2 or 3 days of the watering. Now our plant is ready after 2 to 3 days, and now I will demonstrate how to prune it. Now in pruning we will keep two things in mind: all the disease and dry stems remove first, and second we will remove all the thin stems. So here we are going to keep only stems more than pencil thickness. Less than pencil thickness we will remove all the stems. Now I will demonstrate you the pruning process. Now here you can see this stem is almost dry. So what we'll do, we will remove the stem from the base only. So you have removed this dry stem. Now for this stem, this is live. So what we'll do, we'll hold it from the end and see, this is the pencil, this is the less than pencil. So we are removing it. Here also we are removing it. So all these small stems going back, we are going to remove which is less thick than pencil. Also we will remove any crisscross or zigzag line. Here also we are removing from end So this is how we are going to remove all the stems which are thin. You can see that some of the new shoots also are on the plant already. So this is a clumsy, we are removing it. So this way we are making the plant very clean. So once we prune this, the stems will be looking like this. You can see these stems, these are very clean stems, and from these stems any new shoots will be healthy and with the good flowering. So this is all about pruning, and same way we can prune whole plant. Now once we complete the pruning, we must protect this plant from any fungal attack. Specifically in this winter month, when the dew is there, it is likely to get the black fungus getting settled on this open part, and this may lead to our plant die. So as soon as we complete the pruning, we must protect all the open wounds with the copper paste. Or for the small area, if we cannot put the copper paste on the each of the cut, then we must spray it with 3 to 5% of the COC, copper oxychloride spray, and this will protect our plant. If required, after 3 days we can again spray this and protect our plant well, so that our plant health remain good and we will get the good yield. After this, we need to maintain the regular water cycle. If we are using drip, we can water once a week, 2 to 3 hours, and if you are doing flood irrigation, then we must make the ring around it and put the water into that ring. We have already given the organic manure to this plant, so this will give the good nourishment to the plant again, and this will enable us to have a healthy growth of plant and healthy fruit set on this plant. So friends, this is all about pruning a sweet lime plant. So friends, how do you like my method of pruning sweet lime plant and get the good quality of fruit yield from it? Please write me back into the comment box. And if you like my way, then please give me the thumb. Meanwhile, if you are also planning to grow up sweet lime, or if you already have this plant of sweet lime, then follow these practices and get the very good healthy yield of your sweet lime and get the good profits. Happy growing!